The abbreviations AM and PM derive from Latin. AM, antemeridium, means before noon. PM, postmeridium, means afternoon. Here you see an example on this picture. It's a clear example. Say good morning from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Good morning. Have a good day. God bless you. Good afternoon. Say good afternoon from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Say good evening after 6 p.m. or when the sun goes down. Good evening. Say how do you do when you shake hands with someone you meet for the first time. How do you do? It's not a question. It's a way of saying hello. Like hello, but how do you do? You say how do you do when you meet a person for the first time. So how do you do? How do you do? Say good to see you when you are happy to see the person you are talking to. For example, Steve. Hi, Mark. Mark. Steve. Good to see you. Here, see, too. Happy. Friends. They're really good to see each other. How have you been? Means, how has your life been recently? Or, how are you these days? How are you these days? Or, how have you been?